Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your account with Zoom, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Zoom website at zoom.us. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your account picture or initials. In the profile section, locate the account settings option on the left sidebar. Click on Account Settings to open the settings page. Scroll down to the verification section. You will see an option to verify your account. Click on the Verify button next to this option. Follow the prompts provided on the screen. You may be asked to confirm your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Zoom. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once clicked, this will return you to the Zoom website. You will see a confirmation message indicating your account is verified. Review your account details to ensure everything is correct. You are now ready to use all the features available on Zoom. Remember to log out after you're done if you're on a public computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.